Hey guys, I'm back and I'm gonna be attempting to upload once a week, so we'll see how that goes. For today's video, we are going to be recreating Halsey's Manic makeup based on her album Manic that came out in January 2020. It's very iconic. What can I say about it? I'm a big Halsey fan. I listen to all of her songs. It's like a daily thing. I always be listening to Halsey. And Vogue actually came out and did Halsey's Manic makeup tutorial, and she is in it to demonstrate. So I'm gonna be showing that video as well. Yeah, so let's begin. So first, I'm gonna use this It primer, oil-free, on my face. It lasts all day. I actually got this in an Ipsy subscription, which is like a makeup subscription that you get each month. I am gonna be using my Neutrogena oil-free makeup as always. And then I'm gonna take my beauty sponge. Now we're gonna be going with Too Faced Born This Way concealer under my eyes. I'm gonna be going with this sponge. Now we're gonna be setting our face. Actually, I think I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna be going with Makeup Forever Professional, and this is HD high definition powder, and I'm gonna be dipping it in the lid. Okay, while that's setting, I am gonna be going with BH Cosmetics 6 color palette. I'm gonna be doing contour. I usually don't do contour, but we're gonna try it out. So it comes with these shades, and I think I'm gonna be using this one right here. It might be too dark, but let's just try it out anyways. I'm using a Wet n Wild contour. Ooh, that's harsh. That is very harsh. I am going to be blending this out. I feel like I put more this side than this side. Okay. We're just gonna roll with it. I think that's the most we can do to blend that out. And I'm gonna brush the excess, the baking powder. And I already did contour, but I didn't do my jawline, so I'm gonna be going with Butter Bronzer. Now I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones, and I'm gonna be using the Becca Champagne Pop. This is one of the prettiest highlights, one of my favorites. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, Anastasia and Ebony. Dark. Oh, wrong product. Brow gel.
Using something kind of unconventional. This is a NYX lip cream, but when I was trying to find the perfect blue for the black eye for the album cover, this one was kind of the one that I loved the most. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. It also is like gooey because it's a gloss, so it gives it this like dewy kind of look.
We definitely don't have that product, so I'm gonna be using something different. I'm gonna be using the James Charles Morphe palette, and I actually found the perfect blue similar to what she's using. So I'm gonna be testing out Cape Cod, which is this nice blue color. This nice blue color right there. I need to put on eye primer first.
When I was coming up with the concept for the album cover, the black eye, you know, was a really important part of it because, you know, I think a black eye is a universally recognized sign of pain or trauma or abuse. I feel like everyone recognizes the black eye in that way. And the album was a lot about me outgrowing some traumas and some things that have been otherwise holding me back from feeling like I could really become myself in my early 20s. So I did the black eye, and I wanted to do it in glitter, kind of to make it something, you know, almost like a badge of honor for what I had been through. Just gonna tap a tiny bit of it into the cap. I'm gonna take this NYX glitter primer, which is a lifesaver, and just tap that onto the lid.
Okay, she's putting on glitter. I don't have glitter, unfortunately. So, again, I'm gonna try out a shade in the Kylie Blue Honey. Yes, Blue Honey palette. Looks like this. And I'm gonna be using Royal Jelly. Spray it with just some setting spray, just to see if it's gonna make it pop. Okay. Whoa, that is bright.
In the album cover, I added like a little bit of this Anastasia white glitter, just because it's a little chunkier and I wanted to make it pop a little bit more. This is one of my favorite glitters. I use this on stage literally all the time. And I love it because it's kind of foolproof, because if it gets sort of messy in the light, it looks like it's supposed to be there. It just looks like really glamorous, dewy, expensive sweat. So it kind of works with my already sweaty face. I'm gonna add a little bit under here.
Okay, she's using a white glitter, so something to replicate that would be, I think green white would be like the closest thing to what she's using. I feel like I should make it darker. I don't know. I might mess it up, but I'm gonna be going for that darker shade. Acapella. Whoa, that looks bomb.
Whirl by MAC, which is a classic. I feel like everybody loves this one. I'm gonna go over it with this Milani lipstick. You can get this at any drugstore. It's my favorite. It's a teddy bear. Their lip liner Spice is also one of my favorites too, but this one's like a little, I usually go for like a more natural looking lip, but in the album cover I used something that was a little more like mauve and kind of dark, and I just like pat it in there a little bit.
I actually went ahead and bought that lipstick, and it's right here. It's the same one that she's using. Teddy Bear 29, Milani. Okay.
These are Ardell Wispies. They're the best lash of all time.
Okay, she's doing lashes. I'm gonna be using the Ardell Fax Mink. Is that how you pronounce it? Invisible Band. I still struggle to this day to put on fake lashes, so let's see how that goes. I need tweezers. Okay, one done. Other to go. Okay, this one does not want to bend whatsoever. Can we just pretend that they're on correctly if they aren't? Okay, I think I'm done with this look. Morphe Jeffree Star setting spray. Smells like strawberry. I am so proud of myself. This looks so good. Oh my goodness.
This is the Manic Album cover look. It's really cool seeing my fans recreate it, so hopefully someone learned something from this tutorial and they'll show me their version of it. I'm gonna go get dressed now because I guess this is my makeup look for the day because I kind of don't feel like taking it off, so I'm gonna go to the supermarket like this and see if anybody notices. Thanks for watching, guys.
Okay, so that's the end of this video. I am pretty proud of myself. I managed to get it right. I'm gonna put a picture to see, did I get it right? Pretty close, pretty similar. I feel like I dragged out the blue way over here, but I am loving it. I'm loving it. I hoped that you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I will see you in the next video.